Hello friends, this is Carrie Ann Chandler, Realtor with eXp Realty, and you're watching Hello Friends Carolinas. Today we're going on a home tour of 124 Riverbirch Drive in Fletcher, North Carolina. Special thanks to Chris Scruggs with We Sell WNC, LLC, the listing agent on 124 Riverbirch Drive. Come up the drive with me and let's explore this well-maintained home in the heart of Fletcher. The location is close to restaurants and shopping, with easy access to the interstate or into Asheville and Hendersonville. With a large garage and unique features, I can't wait to show you the inside of this home. When you walk through that front door, you're greeted by high ceilings and natural light. This first room off to the left could be utilized as a dining room and has a fun wet bar right around the corner. The high ceilings of the entryway are breathtaking. The high ceilings continue throughout this large living room area. A large kitchen area with an island, perfect for cooking with your family, and a great area for a breakfast table. Down the hall and to the right, we'll find a half bath. Across from this powder room is the laundry room, convenient access on that first level. Out this door, you find the garage with a unique feature, a loft handcrafted by the current seller. Let's go back to the front entryway and head off to the right to the primary bedroom. This large window lets in so much natural light, and this primary is expansive, plenty of space. Off to the right, we'll find the ensuite bathroom. It has a soaking tub, a shower, and at the end, a walk-in closet. It's time to head upstairs and keep exploring. Upstairs, you'll find 3 large bedrooms and a full bath. These bedrooms also have plenty of closet space. Before we leave, we have to check out the backyard. Beautiful landscaping and a great porch for entertaining. There is also a gazebo that stays with the property and a fire pit. With a large fenced-in backyard, it's perfect for all of your fur babies. And that is 124 Riverbirch Drive in Fletcher, North Carolina. Special thanks again to Chris Scruggs and his seller with We Sell WNC. Thanks for watching another episode of Hello Friends Carolinas. If you're looking for your home and community here in Western North Carolina, give me a call today.